Battery tips. Charge the device. Use the original charger to maintain optimal battery performance over the life of your device. The battery comes partially charged. You can use the device while charging. Battery life and charge cycles vary by use and settings. While charging, the charging icon will be displayed in the notification bar. View battery usage. To view the device's battery usage, from the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice. Then select the settings icon. Select battery. Select usage details. Battery usage details will be displayed. To view the battery usage details of a particular app or feature, select the app or feature under battery usage since full charge. Conserve battery life. To turn on power saving mode, from the battery screen, select Battery Saver, then select Turn On Now. To access more display options, from the settings screen, select Display. To disable adaptive brightness, select Adaptive Brightness. Select the Adaptive Brightness switch. To reduce screen brightness, from the display screen, select Brightness Level, then drag the brightness slider to the desired brightness setting. To set a shorter screen timeout, select the Advanced drop-down icon, then select Screen Timeout. Select the desired option. To turn off live wallpapers, from the display screen, select Wallpaper. Navigate to and select the desired option that is not a live wallpaper. Disable features when not in use to help conserve battery life. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice. If enabled, select Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to turn them off. To disable apps from auto-updating, from the home screen, select the Play Store app. Select the menu icon, then select Settings. Select Auto Update Apps. Select Don't Auto Update Apps, then select Done. To turn off Auto Sync, from the Settings screen, scroll to and select Accounts. Select the Automatically Sync Data switch to disable Auto Sync. Select OK to confirm. If disabling Auto Sync, remember to turn it back on to allow apps to download new emails or social media posts. If you are traveling and do not have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, switch to airplane mode. Swipe down from the notification bar twice, then select the airplane mode icon.